Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching TechMate Unique, and today we're going to see how to delete a table in your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to delete the table in your WPS presentation in mobile, just going to show in this video. So first step of all, just open a document here. I'm just going to insert a slide, open slide, and just going to insert a table here. So after inserting a table, so you can't find, if you're just clicking the table, you can't find the insert row option. You have a lot of option here, but you can't find the delete option because you just want to click on the table itself. Click on this, select the table fully, and you will see this option on pop up here. It's called have a edit option, copy, cut, and delete. So click on the delete option, which you can just easily delete the table. This is the only way that you can just delete the table by the clicking, or while clicking the table, click on the circle option, just click on the blank option, click on the circle option, you will see this pop up. And I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.